The nutrients found in papaya are thought to have a range of health benefits. They may help protect against a number of health conditions. 10 amazing benefits the papaya fruit provides. 1. Recommended for use in a diabetic-friendly salad. People with diabetes must take special care to avoid foods that have a negative effect on their blood sugar levels. At the same time, they must eat sufficiently to provide all the nourishment they need. 2. Getting to the heart of the matter. This fruit contributes to good heart health in several ways. Fresh papaya contains large amounts of the potassium that helps the body avoid extremes of blood pressure. The potassium also moderates any damage that accumulations of sodium might cause. 3. Very good for the digestive system. Today's hectic urban lifestyles with rushed meals place extra pressure on the digestive system. So many people take medications to aid digestion. It would probably be much healthier if they eat some papaya, since this fruit contains digestive enzymes that naturally break up digested foodstuffs. 4. Benefits those who suffer from rheumatic pains. Sufferers from arthritis and other rheumatic pains are sure to be interested in a non-pharmaceutical treatment. Papaya fruit acts as a natural anti-inflammatory drug able to lessen significantly rheumatic joint pains. 5. Makes it easier to deal with menstrual stress. Only females are capable of fully appreciating the stress and pains women experience during their regular periods. With concerns about the use of medications, they will be glad to learn that substances found in papaya leaves seem to improve the regularity of their menstrual cycles. 6. Value to pregnant women and those who want to avoid pregnancy. Many people remember the terrible experience of women in the 1960s who took a new drug to overcome the discomfort of morning sickness, only to find out that it caused them to give birth to seriously deformed babies. 7. A fruit with skincare properties. Why spend a small fortune on skincare products when nutrients found in papaya are good for treating acne and other skin problems? Natural healers sometimes use papine, or fermented papaya flesh, to cleanse the skin from dead cells and promote fresh and healthy skin development. 8. A possible role in the struggle against Alzheimer's disease. As people live longer, the numbers suffering from Alzheimer's and other degenerative diseases are on the rise. Scientists continue to study the causes and treatment of these illnesses. 9. Taking the natural approach to hair care. For those who are disappointed with the effectiveness of synthetic hair care products, papaya could be an appealing alternative. Including the fruit in meal plans might help to maintain hair quality, but the recommended approach applies it to the hair as a paste. 10. Vitamins that boost the body's immunity. Weak immune systems open the door to a range of illnesses. Good quantities of vitamins A and C are present in papaya. These strengthen the body's immunity against flu and colds. A single cup of papaya is richer in vitamin C than that most famous of vitamin C sources, the orange. The fruit can also supply a third of the individual's recommended daily vitamin A intake. Vitamin A increases the creation of red blood cells and enhances resistance to life-threatening diseases.